212. I'm only coming here really quick. So these are just regular cheese eggs for Junior. These are the chicken nuggets that I got from Morningstar, and these are the vegetarian chicken nuggets. These taste really, really good. You can't even tell that they are tofu. Taste it, Junior. He ate them. He ate them the other day.
Ask sausage.
What?
Ask for sausage.
You said chicken nugget. Man.
You tell me.
Alright, eat it.
Okay.
He didn't know the difference. Now he knows that they're tofu. Now he want to act a different way. But he ate the other thing before. And Devon has cheese eggs with the Morningstar sausages. So how does that taste?
Good.
Can you tell the difference, or what does it taste like? It's not saying much, but that's what it looks like.
Tastes like chicken.
The sausages taste like chicken?
What?
Wait a minute. He said it tastes. Now everything. I hope it don't. I hope it tastes like sausages.
It does regular sausages.
It has a hint of that sausage patty taste. It tastes fine.
Yeah.
So these are pretty good. Junior was perfectly fine with these the other day when he didn't know that they were vegetarian. Now, yeah. Anyway, I also tried the Go Veggie Cheese. This shit is disgusting, y'all. I think this was like $3 or $4 a pack, and it just tastes like hot spice. Even the way that it breaks apart. Ugh. It was disgusting. It smells like cheese that's been sitting around and molded for a while. This cheese right here was disgusting. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, because I'm not gonna eat it, and I doubt if the kids are gonna eat it. I don't know. Maybe I can hide the flavor into something, but this is very, very strong. It tastes nothing like pepper jack. I know that what we're using for substitute is not going to taste exactly like the original. I totally get that. But at least have a pleasant taste to it. This right here was disgusting. This is nasty too. So, yeah. Yeah. That's it. So, these two products here is a thumbs up. It's a go. I think if you pick these up, you would love it. And why are you eating eggs with your fingers? Okay. Goodbye, y'all.